Hi children, in this class we are going to know about longitudes or meridians. The vertical lines on the globe are called longitudes or meridians. Longitudes are semicircular lines that runs from North Pole to South Pole. Even these are measured in degrees, and there are 360 longitudes in total. All the longitudes are of the same length. As one moves from the equator to poles, the distance between any two longitudes increases. The maximum distance between two longitudes is at the equator. So the vertical lines on the globe are called longitudes or meridians. Longitudes are the semicircular lines. It is a semicircular lines that runs from North Pole to South Pole. Even it is measured in degrees. Even this also measured in degrees. There are 360 longitudes in total. There are 360 longitudes in total. All longitudes are same of length. These are same of length. As one moves from the equator to the poles, the distance between the two longitude will increase. The maximum distance between two longitudes at the equator. The maximum distance between the two longitudes is at the equator. It will increase at the equator.